What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping into Matt D's RCs. Now, if you've been following me for a little bit, you would know that I just recently got a drift RC and got into the drift RC world. Now, I've mostly focused on bashing on this channel, so why did I get into the drift RC world? Well, where I'm at here in Canada, it is freezing cold in the wintertime, and sometimes we get lucky and have little Chinooks that come in and we get some warm weather for a couple days. And when that happens, I do go outside and definitely enjoy some bashing when I can. I want to enjoy driving a RC car when it's freezing cold. So drifting fit the build perfectly. Nice and clean, nice and warm. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but I can sit there for 5 hours straight and not get bored. But now we have a new addition to the fleet. Boom! This is another MST RMX ready to run drift car, but this is the brushed version. Let's see what the differences are. Oh, right. This one has body clips. Aha. All right, guys, looking at them side by side. As to be expected, there's really not much differences at all. Same gyro, same sort of setup. So mine, I decided to go with the magnetic body mount kit. It's kind of a pain in the butt, especially when you're starting to learn drifting and you're bumping into other cars and the walls. The body likes to pop off. But I was really obsessed with the clean body look. So that's why I did it that way. I also installed some lights on this thing. You guys get to see that in this video. Looks pretty cool. Here is the brushed motor. Now the brushed motor inside here is an MST. I don't know how many turns it is. I'm trying to see. It is a 26 turn motor, but it is set up the exact same way as my brushless version is. It is the exact same motor mounting system. Everything's the exact same. Mine's still a little dirty from the carpet track last time I was there. Give it time. Give it time. Looking at the differences in ESCs, this Hobby Wing ESC is quite a bit bigger, and the power button is located up top here. The brushed ESC, this is an MST ESC on the brushed version, so just an in-house brand ESC as well. And the power button is on the back. And here's another very important item that you need to be aware of on these ESCs. So you have two pin systems here that look like fuses. As you can see, the top one is forward, brake, reverse, forward and brake, or forward and reverse. When you move that pin in the corresponding slots, that's what mode you will have your ESC in. And the bottom one here is for a LiPo battery or a nickel malhydrate battery, or however you say it. This is very important because if you don't have this fuse thing on the LiPo side and you run a LiPo, it'll fry this ESC. Completely fry it. So make sure you're aware of that if you do end up buying yourself the brushed version of this car. Honestly, guys, aside from that, a brushed motor, brushless motor. Now, naturally, most people in the RC hobby are going to know that you're going to get better performance out of a brushless ESC and motor. How much better performance in a drift car, though? I'm saying only for drifting specifically, because you're just on a track, indoors, on a flat surface. So is it really worth spending the extra money for the brushless system when you're just drifting on a track? Let's find out. Let's go there now. All right, guys, we're here at the drift track now. Jackson's out for his maiden voyage. Let's do some sliding. For those of you guys that don't know, my son Jackson, he's only 9 years old, and this is his very first lap on his brand new to him drift RC car. Drifting is incredibly hard to do, and I am so proud of how quickly he picked it up. Almost sneaks around my car.
Hey, check out his new car. Run today. Is it? Maiden voyage.
He's very proud of it, yeah.
It's a good beauty. It's a good car, man. I like it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Better than my first car. You would have been, like, nice. Yeah, $150. He said he's spending 60 on the body.
Oh, no. And that's what I was talking about with the body. I was almost catching you. Jackson and I got to the track a little bit early so we can get a couple warm-up laps in before the whole crew arrives.
Yeah, one day. And you still have shiny employee day today. So congratulations. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Oh yeah.
Whoops. I think you lost the body post, bud.
Work last Saturday or think last? Yeah, last 2 Saturdays. Yeah, I worked 4 This is my only day off.
Might have to glue those down. So what was happening there, guys, is these caps on the rear body posts kept popping off. So what we did is just rammed a couple screws in both sides there. Problem solved. Yeah, I don't. Jackson found some fake trees that he put in his chassis. What a kid. His wheels are? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, okay, well. Bring it in next lap here.
Yeah, you see how it's steering a bunch?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have a problem with it. It's been fine.
Whoops.
I'm not, if she has to do it, like, run her
Yeah, there, hold it in.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn up your gyro, okay? So you can do it yourself. So Jackson's got some steering shake going on.
Maybe we should turn it up just a little bit more.
So when the steering is shaking, guys, that means you need to turn the gyro up a little bit. So...
Is that why I kept turning it? That's why I was able to turn. So hit it. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Here, just let me see. Whoa! It might need to be turned down a little bit. You know what, I think?
Yeah, turn it down just a tad.
I think that'll be better, yeah.
Okay.
Looks like it's got a little bit too much gyro in it.
Yeah, I know, I was just tweaking it a bit.
It was strictly a shell. No mirrors.
Still shaking, eh? Hey, hang on, Jackson. Hey, Jackson, stop.
You're probably right on that cusp, like.
I'll go down just a red one. Okay, try that. So, correction, guys. If your tires are wobbling like crazy when you're on the drift track, turn your gyro down, not up, like I originally said. Hello? I know, he's a pro, eh? me the controls to his, and we're gonna try it out. Dude, your car drives better than mine. Yeah.
Hey, Matt, yeah, that Brushless stuff's all right, huh?
Yeah, it is. Oh. Get up.
Oh, nice. Yeah. You don't really notice it at first, but it's sort of set off the line. Yeah.
I'm not joking though, dude. Yours drives better than mine. Guys, I am very humble when I say that this car, the brushed version, the one I got for my son, felt better to me on the track immediately. I don't know why. It's the exact same car as mine. The exact same. Except mine is a more expensive one with the brushless electronics. Make it make sense.
There's got $1,000, 750. You'll buy that one.
Man, what a lineup we got here today. Right on, guys. Well, we had an awesome day at the Upper Deck Drift Track here in Edmonton, as per usual. It's a great place to hang out. I'm super stoked about this car that we got for Jackson. It's an absolutely wicked car for him. Right. For anyone, really, that wanted to get into drifting. As you can see, this is what happens when he gets given a sticker pack, or free range on a sticker pack at the drift track. He deckled it right up, made it his own, but you know what? Still looks great. We did add the mirrors on and the rear spoiler here before we went to the track. This car looks wicked. It drives absolutely wicked. Like I said before, for some reason it just felt better than mine did right out of the box. So if you're getting into drifting now, from what I know now, I would just get the brushed one to start, because I bought the brushless one for myself and I'm already looking at wanting to upgrade the electronics anyway. So if I could do it over again, I would just get the brushed one, because this one drives great right out of the box. You're just gonna upgrade the electronics anyway once you get more serious into it, so save yourself the money, in my opinion. Either way, guys, the brushed one or the brushless one, they're great cars. You're gonna have a great time with them. I'll put a link in the description for the Facebook group of the Upper Deck Drift Track if you want to go check it out. If you're thinking about getting into drifting yourself, it's a great time. I'm telling you, especially in the winter. Stay warm and still enjoy the RC hobby. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!